What is a DPF assessment and why is it essential that we carry that out on your vehicle? Well, firstly, something to remember is a DPF is a self-cleaning filter. So if your DPF is blocked, there is always a reason for it. It is either caused by the vehicle cannot complete its own regeneration, which is a self-cleaning process. In that case, we have a system fault that we need to find, or we may have a mechanical issue that is causing the DPF to block up too quickly, in which case the vehicle cannot clean itself quickly enough to keep the DPF clear. So that's a basic breakdown of it. Many reasons why that can happen, but that is why we need to carry out an assessment, which is our industry leading process that we have developed so that all of our technicians, they're all trained to do so. They can find the underlying problems and address the cause of your DPF problem before thinking about cleaning the DPF filter. We will only carry out a DPF clean if it is necessary, and in many cases we can recover the DPF without any cleaning. But what to remember is a DPF clean alone without finding the underlying problem would be a complete waste of your money, and that is not how we'll work. So for a first time reliable fix, it is really critical that we carry out the assessment first. So to find your nearest accredited member, if you use the search function on our website, you will find your nearest accredited member that can book you in for a DPF assessment. Thank you.